What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority. A while back, remember I put to the test world's largest fire striker. This thing is insane, it's humongous. Nobody needs this big of a striker to start a fire. And when you strike this thing, it comes off so many sparks. And I thought to myself, I bet it's going to look amazing in slow motion. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to pull out my Phantom slow motion camera and we're going to film it at a couple thousand frames per second in slow motion and see what it looks like. And also we'll try to start few things on fire and also film in slow motion. Just few experiments. And I'll do a couple of bonus slow motion shots at the end as well. So let's get to this experiment. By the way guys, I don't think I'll ever show you how much time it takes to set up slow motion camera. So we'll do that real quick. It is pretty heavy. So it comes in a case like that. So that way nothing happens to it when you transport it or carry it around. I move this thing all the time. Boom. And I have here heavy duty tripod. That sun is killing it. There you go. That's a little better. And then I have Canon lenses for this thing. I think we're gonna be filming close up, so I'm going to use macro lenses. Oh yeah, and I always use extension cord. And this extension cord bucket is the best. I put that to the test a while back ago. If anybody haven't seen it or something, you plug it in and then you pull out the bucket. Love this thing, still use it. And boom, we pretty much set up. So about 15-20 minutes to set up the camera. Depends of the day or where you're setting it up. First thing we're going to do is just film it at 1000 FPS. See what happens. Wow, that was so cool. Okay, now I have to wait till it saves and let's look at the playback. I don't know if 1000 FPS was slow enough or should we do it at 2000 or 3000 FPS. We'll have to experiment and find out. Okay, this is more like a close-up of the actual, what do you call it, striker. Oh wow, it's so bright, it's insane. I love this shot, but you know what, we can make it better. What I need to do is actually bring the camera out, and I bet it's gonna be so amazing seeing all these sparks flying everywhere and smoke coming off from behind it. You know what, let's make a much better shot and film it again. You know what, I think we will replace the lens as well. These ones are zoomed in way close. We'll use one of these wide angles instead. Okay, let's film this again, but with the wide angle lens. Also 1000 FPS. Let me get a good one. There you go. I love how it strikes and hitting the ground and then rolls it on the ground. That's what when I see in slow motion. This time, let's see how many times do we have to strike to set coconut husk on fire. Alright, there goes nothing. Wow, instantly. For the next experiment, I'm gonna make a little bit of a white gas right here. Very little bit, not too much at all. Please do not try this at home. And once again, we're gonna film it in slow motion. Okay guys, one more bonus footage with the zipper lighter. So what I'm gonna do is grab a zipper lighter and just strike it and film it in slow motion. And we're going to film it at 5000 frames per second. See what happens. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below what do you think, and of course don't forget to thumbs up this video. Let me know what do you want to see in the next slow motion videos, and of course thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.